Today I am going to show you guys a 2-thread rolled hem that I did with my Babylock Imagine. This is a very thin stretch sheer fabric that typically is difficult for a lot of people to sew, but if you have a good serger like a Babylock, which makes everything easier, this right here is a great little edge for a very sheer, difficult fabric to sew that you want to put a nice edge on. So if you're interested in doing a really small, lightweight rolled hem on the edge of a garment, this is a great stitch to use. I put everything, all my stitches, in my Serger setting and projects book. And here you can see that I used a standard foot. This is the 2-thread rolled. And I also did a flat hem when I was kind of experimenting on what I wanted to do. So I show both here. I used the stitch selection D, and there's the length I used. There's the width I used, differential feed. And now I can set that pretty quick if I ever want to do that stitch again on something similar to this fabric. And I did all this on my Babylock Imagine, which is a 20-plus-year-old machine that I basically just keep set for 2-thread stitches. And for this stitch, I used, in the lower looper, a woolly nylon because I wanted it to kind of fluff out. I tried some other threads, and the woolly nylon, of course, is very lightweight and it fluffs out and has a really nice coverage. I used a regular serger thread in the needle. For this stitch, I did the cone of thread for the needle is set in the place for the right needle, but you thread through the upper looper thread guide till you get here, because remember, the upper looper is disengaged. You just go over and thread it like you would normally thread your right needle, and then all your settings, and that is it. And it is a wonderful little stitch. That's how you do a 2-thread rolled hem on a Babylock Imagine, or any Babylock, because I've also done this on my Ovation. I wanted to show this because I've seen a lot of people, Facebook groups, say that you can't do a 2-thread rolled hem on a Babylock, and that's ridiculous. Yes, you can. And it is perfect for those sheer, like slippery fabrics, you know, something that you want to be a little floaty maybe. You can also use an embroidery thread, just something really lightweight for your threads. You can't really go wrong with a Babylock. So for all the people saying that you cannot do that stitch with a Babylock, they are wrong. You can do it, and it's very simple and very easy. Hope you have a good one, and I hope you're enjoying doing some sewing today.